Charity, baby, charity. This is how we do. This charity, you heard? Look at all this nice charity, look. Silver tiger cat, looking nice Antigua cat. Look at those birds, man. Nice charity, I'm telling you. Charity. If you niggas looking at this video, y'all niggas know if they your birds or not. I know you can see them tight clear. They don't gotta have the bands, you know what I mean? Because the bands go on the wall. You heard? Decoration. But y'all know who your birds are. But good looking out because these are nice. And I know I got a whole lot more to come.